Hi there, this is Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm participating in the 25 Days of Christmas Tags that's being hosted by Tracy over on Instagram. I thought I'd post this video here as well, as it uses quite a few of the new items from my November release. Make sure to click the first link in my description box down below to head over to my Instagram to see my post and to start the hop. For those that follow, like, and comment along the way, they'll be eligible to win a variety of prizes. All of this info will be listed down below, but for now let's get started with the tag. Here I'm starting out with my Festive Petals die set, and I'm actually only going to use the smaller layer of petals for this tag since it's on a smaller scale. And here I have 3 different pieces of Strathmore Bristol Smooth cardstock, cut to the size of each of my die parts, and I'm using this cardstock because I planned to use the Distress Oxide inks, and these inks blend perfectly onto this cardstock. The colors I'm using are Fossilized Amber, Shabby Shutters, Tattered Rose, and Candied Apple, which is actually showing up kind of orange on screen, but you'll be able to see the true colors in the photos at the end. Now I can die cut all my pieces, and I'm also going to die cut a tag from some white cardstock. On the bottom of the tag, I'm going to stamp Happy Holidays, which is from my Fa La La stamp set, and I'm stamping that in VersaFine Clear ink in black. Now I can start assembling my flower. I'm going to glue the 2 layers of petals together using some liquid glue. I'm also going to use the liquid glue for the leaves and also the 2 center pieces. Once I have the actual base of my flower done, I'm going to pop that up onto the tag using a foam square. And once you've adhered all the pieces, your tag is finished. You can add a hole reinforcer if you want to. I actually added one afterwards that I cut out of some craft cardstock, and for my twine color I decided to play off of the mustard colored center of the flower, so I used a coordinating twine. If you want more information about this hop, make sure to click that first link in my description box down below so that you can head over to Instagram and get hopping. Be sure to subscribe to this channel before you leave, and I hope you have a great day.